Hey guys, it's Coach Ivan. How's it going? We're doing an escape room, and it is a digital escape room. So there's different parts of this escape room. There's going to be a web designer who's making the website. There's going to be a graphic designer who I'm focusing on now, who's going to be making the images clickable, so that when we're looking at it, this is kind of like our little escape room. And when we're looking on images, and we want them to actually like show up on the website, and then when we click on the image, it will take us to a clue, some sort of other website. Maybe it's a link to a Google Drive image like that we're opening up and trying to solve the clue. And then we'll come back to the website and type in what we found hint wise into the Google form, which someone else is doing. So for this small tutorial, I'm going to show the graphic designers, the ones that are coming up with the images, how to make an image clickable. And there's multiple ways that you can do this. You can do this directly through the website, but I'm going to show you Google Drawings. And we did two as an example. There was a Halloween haunt and a reindeer games one that we were trying. And the Google Drawings is really convenient for if you're making any kind of image and you want to have them like positioned very well. It's a lot easier to format in Google Drawing than it is to do it through the website. So I'm going to insert an image, and if I don't have one already, I could just like search the web directly here. You don't have to like open up a new tab and search images. You can search directly and see what you get, and it'll actually open up Google Images right here for you, which is great. Let's say that I'm doing Star Wars. And specifically, let's say that I'm doing like C3PO. I'm trying to find, or R2D2, right? The little robot in Star Wars. I'm going to try to find a picture of R2D2 that I can actually click on. And ideally, I would try to find one that's got a transparent background, meaning like that it's checkered in the background and that I'm not clicking on the background. I have to click on actually R2D2. That would be ideal. If you put a picture like this in with R2D2, if they click on the blue, it will still open up the link, and the blue may or may not fit with like the background of the website. So ideally, I guess I would suggest doing either white or totally transparent background. Transparent would be great if you can find it, and if not, then white would probably be best. But let's see if this one is transparent. I'm just going to click on this R2, and I'm going to click Insert. Crossing our fingers, he's transparent. Woo, he is transparent. You can tell because there's still checkers in the background. It's all checkered background. It's not actually white. It's not solid white background. It's transparent. So meaning that when someone were to click on this R2, they could try clicking here, 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 even in the box, and nothing would happen until they actually click on R2 himself, which is what you want. And he'll blend in with any background, which is phenomenal. But this is just an image. So like when you put this into a website and you try clicking on them, nothing's going to happen because there's no link associated with them. So you have to have the website that you want to lead him to. Let's say I want when they click on R2, they go to starwars.com, right? So just do like starwars.com, right? And this is just like the Star Wars website. So let's just use that. All right. I've got my website here. This is what I want them to go to. So I'll copy the link up here, the URL. So I'll just like right click copy or Control C, and then I'll come back to my drawings and I'll click on R2, click insert link. And you have something that pops up on the bottom here right underneath R2. It says link, paste a link or search. We already have our link copied. I Control C or right clicking, and then you press Control V, put the link right in there and hit apply. And now R2, you'll notice that instead of just like a regular image, he's got an actual link underneath him. Now, in order to test this, you'll actually have to put the Google Draw, your Google Drawing, which is this doc, into a website, and then try it out like in the actual website. And when you click on R2, you'll notice that like he can now be clickable from the website. I'm going to teach the website people how to actually like insert your Google Drawing into the Google site. So what you want to do is for your Google Drawing, you can title it, like maybe you title it like Star Wars or something, and then you can share. And sorry, it's untitled, so I do have to actually label it Star Wars or give it some sort of name. And when you click share, you can add your group mates in here and actually share with them. All right, so you can share it to your two people that you're working on this project with, and then it'll show up in their drive, and the website designer will be able to actually input this into the website, and then when they click on your R2D2, it'll take them to starwars.com. That's how you add an image with a link, and in fact, almost anything that you add in here can be linkable in the exact same way. Insert link. Thanks, guys. Bye.